I'm about to say something most people won't believe. A single spreadsheet changed my life.
Not a fancy app. Not a six-figure salary. Just a spreadsheet I made on a random Sunday afternoon. But it wasn't just a budget, far from it. This sheet became my financial freedom blueprint, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly what it was, how I built it, and how you can make your own even if numbers and formulas aren't your thing. Let's rewind to where this story begins. From overwhelmed to organized. A few years ago, I was like most people, living paycheck to paycheck, wondering where my money was going each month. I had bills, debt, a few subscriptions I forgot about, and no idea what was coming in or going out. I'd tried budgeting apps, but they felt disconnected. They tracked what I already spent, but they didn't help me plan or grow or escape the cycle. So one day, I opened up Google Sheets, stared at a blank grid, and decided, I'm building a tool that does more than track, I want it to transform. What made my spreadsheet different? This wasn't just a budget. It was a financial dashboard, a living, breathing map of my money. Here's what I built into it: net worth tracker. Assets, debts, investments, savings. One tab that told me exactly where I stood every month. Seeing my net worth go up even a little was more motivating than any app notification. Income streams overview. I didn't just track my job income. I tracked side hustle money, dividends, digital sales, even cashback. This helped me build momentum and see what was working. Financial freedom calculator. I built a formula to show me how close I was to financial freedom based on my expenses and passive income goals. It literally said, you are 22.7% financially free. That kept me hooked. Savings goals and progress bars. Emergency fund? Vacation laptop? Each goal had its own tracker and progress bar. Visually watching it fill up kept me excited even when saving just $20. The anti-budget tab. Instead of tracking every coffee and toothpaste, I built a flow system. Percent to bills, percent to savings, percent to investing, percent to guilt-free fun. It removed guilt and made spending feel aligned, not restricted. Tools I used to build it. Google Sheets 100% free, cloud-based, and easy to update anywhere. Conditional formatting turned savings progress into color-coded motivation. Simple formulas, sum, if, and VLOOKUP. Nothing too fancy, promise. Graphs and charts. Because visuals speak louder than numbers. You don't need to be an Excel wizard. You just need clarity, and this spreadsheet gives you that. How this spreadsheet made me money, directly and indirectly. Here's the crazy part. The more I used this spreadsheet, the more money I seemed to make. Why? Awareness action. I stopped wasting on stuff I didn't care about because I finally saw the big picture. Small wins became big habits. Every $50 saved added up. Every debt paid down showed me progress. Side hustle optimization, I tracked earnings by category. So I knew what side gigs were worth my time and which weren't. I sold a version of the spreadsheet. True story, I cleaned it up, added a tutorial video, and started selling it for $12. It's now made me thousands on Gumroad and Etsy. How to create your own freedom spreadsheet. You don't need mine. You can build your own in 30-60 minutes. Start with net worth. List all your assets and debts. This is your scoreboard. Map your income streams. Don't just include your paycheck, add everything, even $5 side gig wins. Set realistic savings goals. Make each goal its own line item. Add a target, current amount, and percent tracker. Add your financial freedom formula. Take your total monthly passive income and divide it by your living expenses. Multiply by 100 for your freedom percent. Automate what you can. Use simple formulas to update values as you go. Let it do the math for you. Look at it weekly. It's not set it and forget it. Make it your Sunday habit. Review, reflect, adjust. This spreadsheet didn't give me a raise. It didn't erase my debt overnight. But it gave me something far more powerful. Clarity, control, confidence. And with that clarity, I made better money decisions. I built new income streams. I grew my net worth. And eventually, I hit a milestone I never thought I'd reach. I became financially free not because I made millions, but because I knew exactly what to do with the money I had. So if you're tired of spinning your wheels, if budgeting apps make you feel judged instead of empowered, build the spreadsheet, make it yours, and let it guide you one cell at a time toward real financial freedom.